Hey friends, welcome to a new lesson in Ready Up. This week we are going to be looking at lesson 3, which is the heading More Vowel Teams 2 in your teacher and your student editions. Learning guides and students, you're going to want to have teacher page 41 out in your manual, and students will need student practice page 41 to work on as we complete this lesson. As I mentioned, this goes along with More Vowel Teams 2, which is the beginning lesson of lesson 3 in our learning progression. This week we are going to be working on some vowel teams. There are certain letters that make up vowel teams. We have the vowel teams AI that work together to say A. They make the long A sound as in rain, rain. We have AY that also makes that same long A sound, such as pay and tray. We have the long E sound, which is made up of the two E sounds, EE and EA. We have the long I sound, made up of IE, which we will be working on today. We have O, made up from OW, and OA, and OE. We also have the long U sound, which is made up of UI and UE. Ready, friends? Let's get started. So today we're going to learn to read words with a short E sound that is spelled EA, and we will learn words with the long E sound that is spelled EA. We will learn words with the long E sound spelled IE, as well as EY. We're going to also learn to read words with the sound OO. On student page 41, you have the passage called The Bread Book. Listen as I read aloud to you. Mom has a book about bread. I took a look at the book. I want to know how to cook. Mom showed me how to make bread. It took all day. Then it was ready. Mom put jam on her piece of bread. I spread honey on my piece. Now look out the word bread in sentence 1. That word is circled. Listen as I say this word. Bread. Bread. Say the word with me. Bread. The word bread has a short E sound spelled E-A. Bre-e. E-A is a vowel team that also makes the short E sound in addition to the E-A sound, the long E sound. Look at the word book in the second sentence. Say the word with me. Book. The word book has an sound spelled O-O. The vowel team O-O makes the sound. Listen as I say the word peace in sentence 7. P-E-ace, peace. The word peace has a long E sound spelled I-E, peace. Now look at the word honey in the last sentence. Say the word with me. Honey. The word honey has the same E sound as peace, but this time the long E sound is spelled E-Y. Both I-E and E-Y make the long E sound. Great job today, friends. Come back tomorrow for part 2 of lesson 3, where we're going to work on some more vowel teams.